Join me in giving a big round of applause to RSG Philippines.
Coach Panda, I would like to ask you, you are hearing the support of everyone in the arena. What is your message to everybody who has supported RSG Philippines throughout the season?
Andun na eh. 1% lang kulang. Andun talaga eh. Sayang. We were more ready than ever. Last season, when I was here before the M5, sabi ko, talunin nyo Indo. And Bren Esports got the championship. Our goal and dream this season is that we will go to MSC and we will represent Philippines. Sana, but sayang. My players fought so well today. Lahat sila kalma, disciplined, communicated each other. Kahit Demang Kite and Kosei just came to this roster just this season lang. We already showed the championship caliber. I really don't know what kind of expression I'm feeling right now, but it was a magandang laban. But again, sayang talaga. All I can say is, Bren, tsaka Echo, kayong dalawa yung sa grand finals, please. Thank you.
RSG Philippines, we thank you. And regardless of today's result, we have the utmost respect for RSG Philippines. Unfortunately, your journey ends here, and you may now take your bow. RSG Philippines have fought hard and they gave it their all. And we're still proud of what they've showed.
Gaya nga ng binanggit ni Coach Panda, it was a